Let's talk about something every pregnant woman faces this time of year: navigating the holidays. Whether you're decking the halls or just trying to stay awake through one more family gathering, I've got you covered. I'm sharing my top tips to help you enjoy the season, stay comfortable, and keep those pregnancy symptoms in check. So, stick around because these tips will make your holidays so much easier. And I promise you'll feel more prepared to tackle anything this season throws your way. Let's start with the most important rule of holiday survival. Comfort is queen, my friend. So, with that being said, first things first, dress for you. Stretchy leggings, cozy sweaters, and supportive shoes are your best friends right now. Skip anything that's going to make you feel squeezed, especially if you're heading to a long gathering. Trust me, no one will care if you trade high heels for comfy flats. And if you're worried about looking festive, add a pop of flair with accessories like a sparkly scarf or some cute earrings. You can still slay the holiday look and be comfy. Now, we've got to talk about food because holidays equals feasting. But let's keep it pregnancy friendly. Start by having a small protein packed snack before heading to the party. This keeps your blood sugar stable and it helps you to avoid overindulging on foods that might not sit well with your pregnant tummy. When it's time to hit the buffet, here's the game plan. Load up on fruits, veggies, and proteins. Watch out for foods like unpasteurized cheese or undercooked meats. And don't forget to, say it with me, mama, hydrate. Grab a cute tumbler and keep water or a pregnancy-safe mocktail handy. The holidays can be exhausting, especially when you're growing a tiny human. So remember, it's totally okay to step away and rest. Whether you sneak off for a quick nap or just sit in silence for 10 minutes, listen to your body. Don't feel bad about saying, hey, I need a little break. Trust me, people will understand because you're doing the most important job. Now, let's be real. Holiday gatherings come with lots of opinions, especially about pregnancy. Are you sure you're drinking enough milk? Are you having twins? When's that baby due again? Mama, remember, you don't owe anyone an explanation. Politely redirect those conversations with something like, we're so excited for the baby to arrive. By the way, how's your holiday shopping going? Remember, people love to talk about themselves, so just put it back on them. If you're traveling, prepare like a pro. Pack snacks, water, a comfy blanket, and anything else you'll need to feel at home on the go. If it's a long drive, plan for pit stops to stretch and walk around. Trust me, your legs and back will definitely thank you. And if you're hosting, try this slogan out for size. Don't hesitate to delegate. Let's say it again. Don't hesitate to delegate. Let someone else carve the turkey or pass out the presents. You've got enough on your plate already. Finally, remember that this holiday season is special. You're celebrating with your baby bump. So it's okay if your year looks a little slower or quieter. Focus on what brings you joy. Maybe it's cozying up with a holiday movie, decorating the tree, or simply taking bump selfies in front of twinkling lights. This is your time to soak in the magic of the season while preparing for the biggest gift of all, your sweet baby. Remember, prioritize comfort, set boundaries, and find moments of joy in the little things. If you love this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with another mom who might need these tips. And don't forget, my Bump to Bundle Blueprint is here to help you feel fully prepared for birth, postpartum, and breastfeeding. Check out the link below. Wishing you a magical holiday season filled with love, laughter, and lots of cozy naps. You've got this, mama. See you in the next video.